Marnin Lassie.
Hi.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
There was a potluck at my firm today.
A potluck?
Yes. A potluck. Anyway, it's a contest, and the best contribution gets $100. I really want to win that prize, but mostly I want to beat the sophisticated pants off of Fancy Pants, Stupid Face, Mary Beth Somerset. She wins everything.
Would you say that you're green with envy?
Yes. Yes, I would. But I don't know anything about Irish food. What is there other than corned beef and potatoes?
Lots. What about soda bread?
Not elegant enough.
I beg to differ. Elegance is all about simplicity and ingenuity. And what's more simple or elegant than a delicious, hearty bread made out of 6 basic ingredients that's quick to make and goes well with just about anything?
It's so chewy and filling and delicious. This is perfect.
Hey, how do you know when a leprechaun likes your joke? He's doubling over with laughter. Soda bread is amazing. 6 simple ingredients almost effortlessly come together to form something that's both hearty and delicious. Best of all, there are no preservatives and you made it yourself. Go you. This is my friend Tiffany's recipe and it never lets me down. I'm really excited to share it with you. It's very easy. First, combine 2 cups of buttermilk and 2 cups of old-fashioned whole grain oats in a large bowl. Allow this mixture to sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours before you'll be baking. Whisk together 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Set aside. Grab your oats and buttermilk. Mix in the dry ingredients until just combined. Do not overmix. Turn the dough out onto a floured countertop and sprinkle it with a little extra flour. Knead it a few times, then shape it into a flat circle about 1 inch thick. Transfer to a greased cake pan. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut 2 lines through the top to make an X. And I like to spray the top with a little bit of olive oil, and then that adds extra color and richness, but it's not necessary and it's not part of the original recipe. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour or until a pale golden brown. An instant read thermometer will tell you that the inside is 200 degrees when it's finished. Remove from the pan and cool on a wire rack. Perfect. Serve warm with a little bit of jam, butter, and hot tea, or with a hearty stew, or with whatever you like because you have free will and I can't control you. Simple, elegant, and no one has to know how easy it was.